today. I'm going to take this motor off the stand. This is 5.3 that me and Lena took apart. Camel link 5.3 as you seen in the previous videos, and I don't know what I'm going to do with this block. It's pretty rusted. I set out to like the 6.2, but yeah, I'm going to take it off the stand. So I can put the 6.2 block on here and take a look at that, because I'm going to be assembling it probably starting this by the end of this week. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to record any of that or film any process of putting it together. So yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and take this off. Alright, so I got this rope on here, but I use this rope for pretty much anything. Pretty durable. I'm going to go ahead and probably put you guys on a time lapse as I take this off and go from there. Alright, so here's the 5.3. Said I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I might just leave it there for spare parts. It has a lot of good parts still, but yeah, so that's out of the way. Now I just got to get the block on the stand, which I'm going to do next. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get the engine stand set up and put the 6.2 block on there, and I'm going to set up for another time lapse. Alright, so block is on the stand. I gotta look everything over, make sure everything's good. But yeah, I'm so excited to put this thing back together finally. And the 6.2, now I just want to clarify some stuff. So 6.2 is going in the white Sierra. The OBS, LS swapped OBS, that has a 6.0 liter, and the LSA is going on here with the 6.2 with the white truck. The orange truck, for now, is just NA. Now, I do have some exciting future plans for it, even though it's not tuned yet, but I'll probably, I'm not going to say much about it now, but I think it's going to be pretty cool, the route that I'm going to go with it, and yeah, go from there. But yeah, this block is going in my Sierra, and the LSA is going on here. 5.3 out of the Sierra sold. My cousin bought it, and I just got to give it to him. He already paid me. But yeah, I'm going to probably start assembling this by Friday. I probably won't record me assembling it or doing anything on that, as there's a ton of videos out there on YouTube already. Motors getting assembled, taken apart and whatnot, even though we've made a couple. But yeah, super excited to finally get this going, and you know, see what happens. I mean, hopefully it holds up, and you know, my goal, like I said, one of the previous videos was 650 on that white truck. Has a trans that can hold it, and yeah, so that's pretty much it. And like I said, the confusion was, you know, what was the LSA going to go on? The orange truck, the white truck? No, the LSA is for the white truck with this 6.2. The LS swap OBS. Then, like I said, that's a 6.0 cammed. Some head work I did. But yeah, that's NA for now, and I'm going to be posting probably later down the road, not now, but a little bit more about it. I know a lot of people like that truck. I mean, I love the truck. The color is amazing, and yeah, I mean it's work in progress, and I appreciate every single one of you that took the time to tell me how great the truck looks and whatnot. It's greatly appreciated. Also, this truck, I ended up buying it in Vegas, and no, it was not that color. It used to be a gray, and originally the truck was that teal green, but whoever had the truck decided to paint it gray, which, don't get me wrong, the gray charcoal color it looked good, except whoever painted it didn't do a great job of sanding and all that, and some of the paint was coming off, and yeah, I had the option of repainting it gray, but this color was a color I really liked, and the color is off a 2015 Corvette Stingray. It's the Daytona Sunrise Metallic Orange. And I know there's a Sunset, which I believe the Sunset is a little bit lighter, so I chose this color. And yeah, I mean, the truck looks great. But like I said, it's still a work in progress. There's some other things that we're trying to figure out on it, and I think we kind of know what's going on. But we're going to try to trace wiring. I thought I had fixed the O2 sensor issues on it, but apparently I did not. As my friend Leland, he brought over a scanner where you can see everything working and what's not working and what it's reading compared to the little handheld scanner that I had to just read codes. But anyhow, we're going to trace wires on that and fix that problem, and that should be ready to tune after that. But yeah, so I'll keep you guys posted on that one. I've been very busy. I work, I have my regular job, I have a family, I have kids, and obviously you have to have family time as well. As now that I'm into doing YouTube videos and stuff that I'm doing now with my buddy Leland, yeah, we got to take time off from our families to make videos and put stuff out there. We don't want to be making boring videos or stuff like, that's not even, just crappy stuff out there. We're trying our best to get better. I am going to purchase a different camera as the GoPro. Yeah, it's good, but it's not what I thought. And yeah, we'll go from there and make more videos. But yeah, like I said, I'm super excited to get this going and get it in the truck and do the whole deal with the LSA and all that. So I'm going to show you the orange truck a little more. Now the rear wheels are off. I am going to get a wider tire since the tires were narrow and kind of look kind of funky. So I took the wheels off right now. It has stocks in the rear and the US mags up front, but I'll show you a little bit around the truck. Yeah, go from there. So stick around. Alright, so like I said, I'm going to show you truck a little more. So like I said, I put the stocks back on there and I pulled the wheels off and tires. Now the tire that I was running on those wheels over there, where the rears, was a 285/35 22, so I'm going to change it up to a 305 and should still have enough clearance to run the that little bit more wider tire and probably look a little better than what it did, which probably didn't even show on videos much of the rear tire, but Yeah, it was way too narrow and it kind of didn't even look right, so that's the reason those wheels are off. I'm gonna order a pair of tires for those, and I still have not washed it from when I got it back from the guy that painted it. So it's still a little dirty, dusty. It's been sitting in the garage though, so I mean, it's not like it hasn't got rained on or stuff like that after the paint job. See if I can get a close up of the color here. Kind of a little hard there, but I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's pretty, a lot of glitter in there. I mean, the truck was well taken care of when I bought it. It was a V6, the 4.3 Vortec V6. Me and Leland did the swap. Now the interior, it's basically all stock. Remember, this is the 96 and newer dash. Because I had one of the guys comment and ask me where did I get this dash, or I don't know if he was asking how to swap it out or anything. No, the truck came original like this, and they do come like this from 96 and up. And you know, a lot of people don't like this style of dash. I do. I mean, I like both. Don't get me wrong, the older one is pretty nice too, but there's nothing wrong with this one, from my point of view. But yeah, so that's pretty much the orange truck. My white truck, I posted on another video. I recently swapped out wheels. Used to have the 24s on there. Now 22s. The reason I did that is I needed more tire out here because these roads are, I mean, this ain't bad, but if you go out there and down the road that way and to the right, there's a lot of bad spots on the road. Yeah. Of course, did the Denali HD front end conversion. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can find some of the pictures when I bought the truck. I think the only ones I have were the ones when I went and picked it up. I drove my white truck all the way to Vegas and rented a trailer from U-Haul, put the truck on there, and just trailered it all the way back. I think it's just a couple of pictures that I have, and probably my truck looked different at the time, the white truck, and then obviously the color the orange truck used to be, and it also had the IROC 24-inch wheels, which, don't get me wrong, the truck looked good and whatnot, but man, it had a very thin tire, and like I said, out here, for a thin tire like that, I mean, you're gonna end up cracking wheels left and right. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and look for those pictures, probably put them on here, and show you what it looked like before. Also, we've been forgetting to mention that the channel name changed, and for the guys that have been on subscribed for a while. It used to be PC Performance, and we decided to change it to. It was supposed to be AZ Garage Built Performance. Why AZ? Because we're located in Arizona. Except when I was changing the name, I forgot to put AZ, and you can't change a name once you change it until 3 months later. So Garage Built Performance. Why? Because we do stuff in the garage at home, and maybe at the front yard, backyard, whatever, garage. But yeah, that's why I've been forgetting to mention in past videos that we had changed the name. A lot of the old subscribers probably seen that, and I apologize. I forgot about it, and to mention that we had changed the name. And like I said, it was supposed to be AZ Garage Built Performance, but I forgot to put the AZ in there, so now we're stuck with Garage Built Performance, which we're gonna keep for good. And yeah, so alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end it off there. The channel is doing great. It's growing slowly but steady, thanks to the new subscribers, and thanks to everybody for the support. Trying to come up with better stuff to put on there, not boring stuff, like I said. And yeah, so keep it going, and hopefully y'all enjoy the videos. So, alright man, well, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Oh, also, put the the little bell for any time that we upload, you get notified. So, yeah, thank you guys.